Hello everyone. If you're watching my channel, then I would tell you why bother watching my channel. I'm just trolling. Okay, today we're gonna do another legal question, which is 25 reverse nodes in K group, and this is a linked list question, and I'm doing linked list question recently. I want to do this question, and how to do this question? I found that it's very easy to do it if we can put it into an array and then do it. And the follow up is this is just mainly follow up, and I'm not sure if I want to do it. And for follow up, I'm thinking like you can maybe do it in recursion way, but I'm not too sure about the detail. But yeah, let's just do the normal way, which is put into an array and then do the job. But is that a good idea? I'm not sure. Okay, let's think about another thing. Oh wait, yeah, I guess I got the idea. Let's do that one first. Okay, so my idea is very simple. Wait, actually no. So this is a printer, not a reference. I'm thinking like if this is a reference, then maybe I can do some clever job here, but it's a printer. So okay, let's think about it. How to do it? Our base condition. Let's just make a new head. List node, new head. The cloud is variable, and this is assigned to nothing. Oh no, just a set head. Actually, I'm not sure. Don't do that. And then I'm gonna create a vector, and this vector gonna contain struct list node. In C++, we only need list node printer. Vector of list node printer, and I'm gonna call this VP. And then we're gonna do that while head unequal to now printer. Plus the VP size is less than K. What we're gonna do here is that we put head into VP. So we're gonna do VP the push back head, and let head equal to head next. Cool. And then at here we're gonna do another actually this is wrong, we shouldn't do that. We're gonna do just this, and then we add the base case here. Base case is when VP the size is equal to K. This tells us that we want to rearrange the order and then put back into another linked list, and we're gonna put back into the list node new head. And here we're gonna for let's add the cloud helper function to doing the job, which is let's think about it. I'm still thinking about it. I think it's best idea to do it here, like after everything been done. Then we ensure that there wouldn't be any anything happen to our node. Cool, and then VP dot size equal to K, and here we can do some job here. Let's just think about it for a sec. Yeah, let's write here a function. It makes things easier, I guess. Update, quick update, list node. For the future job, it should be it is better to make a tail and make a head, because we're gonna insert that tail, right? So it's not very efficient if you always traverse down that much space. And then here is a vector list node printer for a VP, and it should be a reference. And what we're gonna do here is just, you may not alter value on the nodes themselves, maybe change, yeah. So what we're gonna do is do a for loop for int I equal to VP.size -1, and then I greater equal to 0, I minus minus, and we insert tail, which is that. Do you think it's better to make a data structure for that? I think it is. So like, just create node, and then you go to thing. One is struct list node head, and struct list node tail. And here I'll create this node n dot head equal to now printer n dot tail equal to now printer. And what we're gonna do here is see if here I would pass a node instead. A node reference should be the reference. So if n dot head equal to now printer, then let's assign it to n dot head equal to n dot tail equal to vp dot size -1, which we assign it to the last element in our vector. And here we just traverse down this vector, and we start with the end. We just sort of reversing the arrow, and that's what we're gonna do, which is vpi the next equal to vp I -1. I should be greater than 0. Else we're gonna assign it to now printer. And we also update the n dot tail, which will be vp0. Do we return anything? We don't return anything. We will update it with this reference. But nothing we're gonna do here is we want to clear the VP. Okay. Also, this is so at here we also need to pass a int k. So this I'm only considering about. Actually, wait. It's a bad idea. So at here we have the first function, and then at here we go the second function, which is update 2. And in this case, the VP don't have size of k. And what we're gonna do here, so we still need to consider about base case. And here we're gonna traverse from 0 to smaller than size. And then let's see if we can do it. Great. And we don't have to modify anything. Instead, we only need to do is to make yeah, we don't need this. So if this case, then we don't need to do anything. Instead, here we can return yeah, because if suppose that there's no element in the list, and then this case happens, then we just return the original list. And suppose other case happens, then we should be appending on our tail, and we're gonna do is n tail equal to vp0. Sorry. Next equal to vp0, and we're done. So here we take another update. Oh, here we need consider another edge case, which is suppose that if the vp the size is equal to 0, then we straight return do nothing. And here we do the job. So if suppose the size is equal to k, then we just simply update it. And vp, cool. And here we updated in segment. Now we do update 2. And then we return underhead. All right. Okay, we encounter the first problem. Let's about it. Alright, so at here the update state so at here we didn't do I need to think about it. Tail next. Why did I do that? That doesn't make any sense to me. Then the tail equal to right at here what we gonna do is then the tail cool, and this fixed our problem. This also work. Let's try some more input and see if it still work. Okay, let's test some edge case. So suppose there was one element and then number is greater. Oh. Okay, K is strictly less than N, and let's try edge case. Right, cool, and it seems working. Well, let's try even number and see if it's still working or not. Cool. Oh shit, did we start in, oh, never mind, I saw we start in the while loop. But seems everything is working, and I'm not sure. So there should be ON complexity, and it's only 5,000, so it should work. I'm gonna try a bigger one, I guess, and see just test more stuff. And from the logic should work. Let's just submit. And it worked. And okay, it's not very efficient, apparently, but it's ON. How can ON not be efficient? No, I got you now. I submitted twice to see if. Okay, so I think my solution is good. It just, I don't know, not lucky at this time, but it worked. And thanks for watching that how you solve reverse node in K group. I'm not sure why this hard problem is. It feels like a medium problem to me.